Hey everybody, this is your 2-minute tutorial on how to use Collaborate Ultra for screencasting. So to start, you're going to go to your Blackboard course and choose Collaborate Ultra from the course menu. Once you're in Collaborate Ultra, you're going to choose Course Room and then Join Course Room. Now, before you get started with your recording, you're going to want to set up your course room by turning on your mic and sharing your video if you choose to. So if you choose to share your video, you're going to see a small thumbnail video in the bottom left, but your students will see that full screen here in the media space. So you've turned on your mic, you've shared your video, now you want to share your screen. To do that, you're going to choose the purple Collaborate panel in the bottom right. You're going to choose Share Content and then Share Application. This will give you an opportunity to either share your entire screen or a specific window. For this purpose, I'm going to choose to share my entire screen, so I'll select that and then choose Share. Initially, when you first do that, it's going to give you this echo effect, and that will change as soon as you open up a new tab or show another application. So I'm going to go back to, you can see here I'm toggling back and forth between different tabs. So I'm going to go back to the Collaborate Session tab. You'll see here the echo effect. I'm sharing my screen, but now I want to start recording. So I'm going to go to the Session menu, choose Start Recording. The students will see a split second of this echo until you click on a new tab. And then from there, they're going to see whatever you see on your screen. So this is a great way to provide demonstrations, maybe how to navigate your course, how to find specific information in your course, how to complete an assignment. It could be you want to share a website, how to access or where to access information, or you have a specific third-party vendor that you're using and you want to walk a student through how to create an account or how to sign in. You can also demonstrate using different applications like Microsoft Word, word processing, or how to use spreadsheets. So it's a great way to provide a visual for your students. When you're finished, you go back to the tab where the Collaborate session is open, and then you go back to the session menu and click Stop Recording. At that point, you're finished. You can leave this session, and that recording to you. You can close out of that, and then that recording will be available to you shortly through your Collaborate Ultra sessions. You'll go back to the session menu and go to recordings. Again, it won't be immediately available, but that's how you use Collaborate Ultra to share your screen. Thanks everybody. If you have any questions or need help, please feel free to contact me.